Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to open Telegram without using a phone number. Let's get started. First, we need a temporary virtual phone number. To get one, go to the website onlinesim.io and click on Try it for free. Next, choose the country you want, select the newest number, and copy it. Now open Telegram and paste the number there. You may notice that it might not work immediately, but don't worry, we have a better website for temporary numbers. Visit this website, tempnumber.com, choose the country you prefer, and sign up if necessary. Then, copy the latest number and return to Telegram to paste it there. If you see an error, here's what you can do. Temp numbers are usually released every 10 hours, so you need to stay updated. As soon as the new number is available, grab it before too many people start using it. And that's how it works. If this video helped you, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips. Thanks for watching.